Smile, Class 2 English. It's a lovely poem. It teaches us to keep smiling always. It also tells us how the smile multiplies into many as we keep giving. So let's see this interesting poem. A smile. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face. Why is smile considered as a funny thing? You know, we laugh at funny things. We smile when we are happy, and funny things makes us happy. This is not the only reason for smile being funny. It wrinkles up your face. You would have noticed when you smile, the corner of the mouth as well as eyes are wrinkled up. Wrinkled means lines, small lines. Small lines are caused when you smile. So the corner of the mouth you can see small lines. So it makes lines. When you stop smiling, the wrinkles go away. Where have they gone? And when it's gone, you'll never find its secret hiding place. When you stop smiling, the wrinkles go away. Where do they hide? They go and hide somewhere. And they come back when you smile. When you stop smiling, the wrinkles goes away. So smile is hiding somewhere. We get a lot of lines when we smile. These lines go away when you stop smiling. So we don't know that secret place where the lines as well as the smiles go away. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. These smiles are considered to be wonderful. Smiles can do wonderful things. When we smile at someone, they also smile at us. So, when we are happy, we make others also happy. The meaning of wonderful is extremely good. So, smiles can do wonderful things. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. When we smile at others, they also smile at us. So smile multiplies. When smile multiplies, happiness also multiplies. So to become happy, we should always smile. Let's smile and let us make others also smile and be happy. So let's recite the poem once. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face. And when it's gone, you'll never find its secret hiding place. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you. So one smile makes two. So this is our poem. Now let's see the meaning of new words. Wrinkles, small lines caused when you smile. The picture here shows that. Secret, unknown by others. Wonderful, extremely good. Quite, completely. Funny, interesting. So what did I learn? What did you learn from the poem? Keep smiling always. It makes us happy. It helps us to relax. Smile makes both the givers and receivers happy.